Good morning, everybody. It is freezing cold outside, but I am here at Walgreens and we're here to share some deals. There's actually a lot of great deals going on today and I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna go through the store, show you some deals that I do or not do, and then I will come back and show you my haul and everything I got and all my problems I had, if there is any. But let's go shopping. The Dial Body Wash this week is on sale for $4. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You'll end up using a $1.50 off digital coupon. You'll pay $6.50, but you do get a $4 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be $2.50 or $1.25, but make sure you guys are reading the small print because it also combines with the Crest, the Oral-B, and the whole blend. So just giving you guys a heads up that you might have to do separate transactions. My store's pretty low, but the whole blends is actually on sale for 2 for $8. Now there's only a $1 off digital coupon, otherwise we have the 4 off a 2 insert coupon. You'll end up just paying $4 for both of them, but then you do get a $4 register reward, making them absolutely free. If you guys do combine this with other deals, make sure you check because you might have to do separate transactions. The Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $7. Now there is a $1 off digital coupon, otherwise we have the 3 off a 2 insert coupons, and I think there was Printable if I'm not remembering straight. But there's also a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for $1 off, so it'll take $1 off for each one. So you get these for $1 each, which is a great deal. The L'Oreal Paris shampoo and conditioner is on sale this week for 2 for $8. We have a printable $3 off coupon, otherwise there is a $3 off digital. Then you can clip the $2 off a 2 or the $2 off 2 Walgreens booklet. It's going to be just $3 or $1.50 each. So here we have the Garnier makeup wipes. We also have this one for $6.29, but my store only has one, so we're going to do the math for this one. So they're $6.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. We do have a $2 off insert coupon, otherwise there was a printable, and there is also a $2 off digital. And then there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, so that's $8 that it'll take off. So basically your total comes to be $10.48. Take away the $8, it'll come out to be just $2.48 or just $1.24 each. Here we have the one by Poise for $7.79 at buy one get one 50% off. We do have a $5 off insert coupon, a $5 off printable, or there's also a $5 off a 2 digital. So you're going to use that. You'll pay $6.68. But then there is a 4,000 points when you purchase 2 on Fetch Rewards. So it comes out to be just $2.68 or $1.34 each. So we have the Act toothpaste for $3.49. We did receive some printable, or there is a digital coupon for $1.25. And then we have a 3 off a 2 Walgreens booklet coupon. Your total ends up becoming just $1.48 for 2 of them. That comes out to be just 74 cents each. So I'm going to do this deal with Colgate. So the mouthwash is on sale for $3.99. We do have a $2 off coupon, plus there's a $2 off digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $3.98, but you'll get $4 of Walgreens cash back, making it free. But then there's actually a rebate deal with Ibotta. So you get $1 back times 2. So this ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker. If you decide you want to do the toothbrushes or the toothpaste, it just comes out to be free. So it just depends on what deal you want to do, but definitely take advantage of those Ibotta rebates. So my store only has one $2.99 toothbrush. So you guys can buy 2 of the toothpaste for $2.99. There's a digital $2 off coupon, plus we have $2 off insert coupons. You end up paying just $1.98, but then you get a $2 register reward. Comes out to be absolutely free if you want to do that deal. They also have some toothbrushes too if you want to get those too. So here we have the Oral-B toothbrushes on sale for $4, and we also have the toothpaste for $4. I have a $1 off digital coupon for the toothbrushes, and then I also had a $2 off digital coupon for the toothpaste. So you'll end up just paying $4, or you end up paying just $3, but then you get, so here we have the Oral-B toothbrushes for $4, and we have the Crest toothpaste for $4. I have a $2 off digital coupon for the toothpaste, and I have a $1 off digital coupon for the toothbrushes. You end up just paying $5, but when you purchase 2 or more, you get a $4 register reward, making them just $1 or 50 cents each. Also, make sure you are doing this in a separate transactions with that deal. It depends if you want to do this deal or not. So we have the Right Guard on sale for 2 for $8. There is a digital, otherwise we have a 4 off a 2 insert coupon. You'll pay $4, but then there is a 60-cent rebate with Ibotta, so you'll get a $1.20 back. These come out to be just $2.80 or $1.40, and both of these I scanned and they both work for the Ibotta rebate. So the Gillette's actually on sale for this deal for the end of the month. So you're gonna buy 2 of the ones that are $3.79 there, buy one, get one 50% off. You will pay $5.68, but then you get a $4 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.68 or 84 cents each. We also have the foamy one for $3.29, buy one, get one 50% off. You'll pay $4.93, get the $4 cash rewards. Comes out to be just 93 cents. And then we have the little baby Gillette right here for $2.99. You'll buy 2 of them for $4.48. You get the $4 cash rewards, and it comes out to be just 48 cents. You can do this deal as many times as you want, all in one transaction, and you can pay with points too. My store has this oil control face wash on clearance for $3.79. There is a Peely coupon for $3 off, so you'll just get this for 79 cents if you're interested in that. We have the Renews-Its on sale for 89 cents. We do have a buy 4 get 2 coupon, plus there's a free buy 4 get 2 coupon for the digital. You'll end up just paying $3.56. That comes out to be just 59 cents each if you buy 6 of them. The Arm & Hammer is $7.49. It is at buy 1 get 2 free, so you'll buy 3 of them at $7.49. It comes out to be just $2.49 each. So the Life cereals are on sale for $1.99 along with the Captain Crunch. We do have a printable coupon for $1 off too. There's probably also a digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $2.98, but then there's a 50-cent rebate for the Life, and then there's a 50-cent rebate for the Captain Crunch. So these just come out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each. So here's a deal if you need to do this. So the preparation H is $9.99. If you can get your store to price match it, that's a great deal. Plus you get a $2 off coupon with the Walgreens booklet. We also have a $2 off coupon, printable coupon. There might be an insert coupon. Plus there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta. So I'd make it to be 99 cents if you can do that. Otherwise it will be $3.99. If you guys like some tea, it's $2.99 this week. We do have 1,000 points that you get back from Fetch Rewards, which is $1. So this comes out to be just $1.29 if you like that tea. If you like the Cheez-It grooves, they're on sale this week for 3 for $5. We do have 50-cent off Ibotta rebate coupons that you can do, so it comes out to be I think $3.50 if you want to do those. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Sorry, like the sun's right in my eyes. So I went to Walgreens this morning. Okay, everything went out fine, everything turned out fine. Get to the register and there's a new cashier working. And I says, oh, I'm just gonna let you know I got some coupons. Nope, not gonna check you out, nope. And I'm just like, okay. She's like, I lost my job from people misusing coupons. I says, I totally understand that, you know. She's like, I'm gonna get the supervisor. I'm like, don't worry about it, I'll go get the manager. So I went and got the manager and everything. And then, I don't know what happened, but my first receipt didn't show I got any points whatsoever. It doesn't say what my balance was before. It just says my savings. That's all it says. And I'm just like, what the heck is going on here? So I have to call Walgreens anyways because there's another problem that I had. So yeah, so let's just dig in and share with you. Usually when my register rewards print out, the manager usually just gives me points, but he's like, well, the policy changed like 6 months ago. And I'm like, I know what the policy is. I probably know the policy more than he does. And he's just a person who, number one, he doesn't like working on Sundays because a lot of people are missing on Sundays. And number two, he's just an old person. He one time was like telling me like, why are you filming in the store? And I explained it to him, but he's still an old grump. But I'll get to that when I get to that. So here we have the Captain Crunch and the Life cereal. These are on sale for $1.99. We have $1 off a printable coupon or digital. You'll pay $2.98, but then you can submit a 50-cent rebate and a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.98. If you guys want to get some cereal, go for it. Now here's a deal for this. This is one by Poise. These were $7.79. They're buy one, get one 50% off. I used a 5 off a 2 insert coupon. you would pay $6.68, but with Fetch Rewards you get 4,000 points when you purchase the item. So it comes out to be just $2.68 or $1.34 if you want to go ahead and get those items. I ended up doing the Garnier deal because I needed more of this and the store only had one of these. So these were 2 for $7. I had a 3 off of 2 insert coupon. You want to use the Walgreens booklet for $1. It comes out to be just $2. That's $1 each for these. Go for it. One thing I did notice is when you guys clip that stuff, when you use like the app, like when you clip it to your app, you can only use it once and that is it. I prefer the booklet because the booklet you can use multiple times. So just giving you guys a heads up. We got the Garnier or the L'Oreal Paris. This was 2 for $8. We had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, or there was a printable coupon. Then there is a 2 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon. So you will just get this for $3 or $1.50 each if you want to go do that deal. And then I did the whole blends. The whole blends were 2 for $8. I used a 4 off of 2 insert coupon. You'll pay $4, but then you get a $4 register reward, making these free. Now I got the register reward for this one actually, because I did 3 separate transactions and I got the register reward for this one, okay? The other deals that you can do to get the $4 register reward is the dial, which I did not do, so I will have to call Walgreens up and talk to them because I did not get the $4 register reward for this. So this is $4. There's a $1.50 off digital coupon. You'll pay $6, but then you're supposed to get the $4 register reward, making it $2.50 or $1.25 each. So I will be calling Walgreens probably tomorrow to see if I can get my points. Otherwise, they're probably just going to say you have to submit your receipt to the Catalina company, which I will do that. So there was that one. And then there was the Crest deal where if you bought 2, you got I think it was a Crest. Yeah, the Crest, if you bought 2 of the Crest, you got a $4 register reward. So these were $4 each. I had a $2 off digital coupon for this one, and I had a $1 off digital coupon for this one. You'll end up just paying $5, but again, you were supposed to get the $4 register reward, making these just $1. Didn't work, so again, I have to contact them for that. Now, I did have a 3 off of 2 coupon, and I was going to use it for these, but the coupon didn't work, and I cannot remember what the price was for these. I think there was like 79 cents or something like that, and I did try using the coupon. It didn't work. It said it exceeded it. Sometimes it adjusts it, but I'm like, don't worry about it. So I took the coupon back, but I still got these because I'm like, I like the smell, so I got that anyways for that. This was on clearance for $3.79. I used that $3 off insert coupon. You get this for 79 cents. Then I also got the Garnier wipes. These were $6.99 at buy one get one 50% off. I used 2 coupons. I used a digital $2 off coupon and a printable $2 off, or insert $2 off coupon. And then there is a $2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you'll get both of these for $2.48. So if you want to go ahead and get the wipes, go for it. This is the Colgate toothpaste, and then I also, toothpaste, and then I got a Colgate toothbrush. These were $2.99. I used 2 $2 off coupons. My $2 off coupon did not work for this, but the digital did work. I don't understand why. But you'd pay $1.98, and then you get a $2 register reward when you get 2 of them. So these come out to be absolutely for free. And then we have the Colgate mouthwash. These are on sale for $3.99. You want to use 2 $2 off coupons. You'd pay $3.98 for it. But then there is a $1 rebate and a $1 rebate with Ibotta. And you are supposed to get $4 cash rewards, which I did get for this. So these come out to be like a $2 moneymaker if you want to go do that deal. I did one of the Gillettes. These were $3.79 at buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $5.68, but you're supposed to get $4 of cash rewards, which I did not get. It did not show up on the bottom of my receipt, which I think is really weird. But if it does, you'd get these for $1.68 or just 84 points. So I'm gonna, like I said, I have to contact Walgreens for a lot of things. I'm gonna wait till my account updates and see if maybe I do get the points for this. If it does, then it's not a big deal, but I'm still gonna try to get those 2 register rewards. Then I also got the Gillette, or the Right Guard deodorant. These were 2 for $8. I used a 4 off a 2 digital or insert coupon. Paid $4, but then there's a 60-cent rebate and a 60-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just $2.80 or $1.40 if you want to stock up on that. And then I got one more item. I think I got everything for you guys. Yes. So I had the store price match this to $6.99. You want to use a $2 off insert coupon, and then you want to use a $2 off Walgreens booklet coupon. You end up just paying $2.99. But then you get a $2 back Ibotta rebate, making this just 99 cents. So if you want to go ahead and do that, definitely go ahead and do that. I just got approved for one of my Walgreens transactions. Okay, so I'm still locked out of Walgreens. I sent them another message. When I got a response back when I was locked out, she's like, oh, you're supposed to hit a $20 threshold. I know that. I know, like, she obviously did not look at my my account and see how much money I had in my account. I wasn't trying to redeem a $20 gift card. I was trying to redeem a different one at Walmart, and that person was worthless. So I sent a nice little message back saying, but I wasn't mean about it. But yeah, anyways, my total came to $41.49. Now please keep in mind, I did not pay that price. I used points to pay for everything. I did receive $6 worth of register rewards, and I'm still supposed to get $8 more, so I will be contacting Walgreens for that. I ended up only receiving $8. Well, technically I received $4 in points, and then I'm missing the $4 of the Gillette, so they still owe me 4,000 points, but I'm going to wait till it shows up on my account, so $8 worth of points. With Ibotta, I received $6.20. I got 5 rebates. With Fetch Rewards, I received 4,099 points, which is $4.09 for the Poise. So I ended up getting 28 items for $9.20 or just 32 cents each, which I'm happy about. You know, considering all the stuff that I got and how much everything is, I'm pretty happy with what I got. So last week, a lot of you guys were a lot of that stuff that I got last week was like glitches. I don't do glitches. There's certain reasons why. If you guys ever need to talk to me about it, you can talk to me about it. But there's a certain reason why I don't do Walgreens glitches especially. But other than that, that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely for free, and I'm here to share with you guys as much money-saving deals as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.